Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you my brand new website which I created right now and I have deployed it today, which is called as freemediatools.com. I have given the link in the video description. You can go to the video description and go to this website. So from the name itself, in this website I will be providing you free tools regarding the online conversions of video, audio and all that media stuff. So we have these tools available. So I will be updating on this website. I will be adding each everyday new tools. So you will see, if you land to this website, you will see the first tool called as video to mp3. You can extract the audio from a video file, which is video to mp3 online. So here you need to select your video file. So you can just select any sort of video file here. Let's suppose I select this, and then if I click download audio file, then it will extract the audio. First of all, it will upload this video, and then it will process it, and then it will download the mp3 file, which it will extract the audio from the video. So this is the first tool. Now we have the video converter as well, so you can even convert videos from one format to another. So let's suppose if I upload this mp4 video, and here are the different formats that you can convert to. Let's suppose I convert to this AVI format, and then I click download video file. So you will see now it will download this video file in AVI format. So just wait, it is processing it. So here you just need to wait. So as soon as this is complete, then it will download this AVI file as a attachment. So you just need to wait so for the process to complete. So once it is completed, you will see this AVI file will be downloaded. 32 megabytes is there. This is a We have also image converter also. So here similarly you can select any sort of image. Let's suppose I select this image, which is a JPG. I can convert to, let's suppose, a J I convert to a PNG image. If I click download image file, so it will convert to a PNG format. So very simple tools. Similarly, we have the audio converter as well. So here you will upload your mp3 file, and there are various formats out there. Here you can convert to WAV, mp4a, FLAC, WMA, AAC. So very good tools. You can even remove audio from a video by this tool here. You need to just upload your video file and then click the download video button. So all the validations are also there. If you click this button, you will be having this error message that please first of all select a file. You can even have password encrypted PDF. You can even select a PDF document and then you can put a password as well. So I don't have any sort of PDF document here. So I think so here you will upload your PDF document and enter your password. So then your PDF file will be encrypted. So there is another compress image tool is there, with the help of which you can select your image file. So let's suppose I select this image file. You need to choose the quality of the image. I can select the appropriate quality and then I can compress the image. If I click download image, it will download this image. It will compress it and then it will download it. This is you can even add a watermark to a video as well. So this is a very interesting tool. So here you will first of all upload your video, upload a watermark image, and then it will automatically add this watermark to a video. So this is a very handy tool. And then we have various, you can even merge two images either horizontally or vertically. So if I select two images, let's suppose I select these two images. So I want to merge it horizontally. So if I click merge images, it will merge these two files, and if I open this, you will see it will be merging these two files. If I open this image, you will see the resultant image will be the, so it is opening, so just wait. Now you can see that the two images are successfully merged with one another in a horizontal position. if you merged it in the vertical, then you will see in a straight line. So this is also a very good tool. And now let me just show you the encrypted process. If I just select a PDF document here, this is my PDF file, and now if I set a password, let's suppose password, if I click download PDF file, so it will encrypt this PDF file with the password. So what is the, I think some kind of error take place. You can even record your own webcam video. So here if you click start recording, so it will enable your camera here. So you can record your own video from your web camera, and then you can click stop recording, and then you can even download your video. So in this way, this is another, you can even change video resolution as well, upload your video and change 240p, 360p, all that stuff. You can even increase the video speed, decrease the video speed as well. So these are all the tools which are available. You can even crop image, providing width and height. You can resize image. So these are good tools, providing a width and height. So this was the complete overview of my website. Each day I will add unique tools to this website. So make sure that you check this website daily, so that you can use these free tools available to you. So please like the video guys, please subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.